study in CGP Public School, Raniganj, is here as an independent citizen of independent India. Today is the Independence Day of India and hence a very special day for all the Indians out there. So today I am here to throw some beaming light on the topic of our independence under the roof of Tiranga. If there is no struggle, there is no progress. This quotation really remarks the struggleful path of India towards its independence and its continuous progress till today. The flags that we raise today should not only be considered as a part of ceremony, but we should keep in mind that the flags contain the heads of various soldiers, freedom fighters who were beheaded during the freedom struggle, and we should never let them down. The British Empire was really too brutal on the Indian natives. Racial discrimination and corruption became the roots of the development of British occupied India. The freedom which we are taking for granted today never came to us out on a plane. Jawaharlal Nehru, Bhagat Singh, and many more even offered their last breath for the freedom of this land, of this country. So 15th August is not only a date, it is an emotion, and it reminds us about the responsibility to keep up the progress and reach to the day that our national leaders, freedom fighters dreamt of. So let's salute India, where each land blooms with its true colors, where each day is a celebration of unity and harmony. Thank you to the Indian soldiers for guarding us and to the freedom fighters for giving us today. Happy Independence Day!
सुरम्यं विशालं प्रकामं सरित्तारहारैर्ललामन्निकामं हिमाद्रिललाटे पदे चैव सिन्धु प्रियं भारतं तत् सदा दर्शनीयं प्रियं भारतं तत् सदा दर्शनीयम् धनानां निधानं धरायां प्रदानम् इदं भारतं देवलोकेन तुल्यम् यशो यस्य शुभ्रं विदेशेषु गीतम् प्रियं भारतं तत् सदा पूजनीयम् प्रियं भारतं तत् सदा पूजनीयम् निधानं धरायां प्रदानम् इदं भारतं देवलोकेन तुल्यम् यशो यस्य शुभ्रं विदेशेषु गीतम् प्रियं भारतं तत् सदा पूजनीयम् प्रियं भारतं तत् सदा पूजनीयम्.
Happy Independence Day to all of you. Waving the national flag by the students and parents from the rooftops and balconies of their houses is among the noble ways of celebrating 74th year of independence with spirit of bravery and courage in the face of the novel coronavirus pandemic. My dear students, let us take this virtual platform to pay our homage with freedom in our mind, faith in our words, and pride in our soul for the freedom fighters who had laid their lives to make our country free from the Britishers. The 74th year of celebration of independent India is also an historic event when the whole world is fighting against a virus so dreadful, taking away lives of millions. Let us take this platform to salute the forefront warriors like doctors, nurses, the attendants of the hospitals, the policemen, the administrators who are working day and night in saving the lives of the people, putting their life at great risk. Many such warriors have already succumbed against the dreadful virus. Dear students, you all are to me a great warriors too, who will be remembered through the pages of history about the challenges taken up, not allowing the virus to deter you all in acquiring through education, through online system. Look at your acceptability so boldly taken up through online education, where you have made us proud in helping us to reach out through online classes. Of course, I salute the parents too for their untiring contribution in reaching out to their wards and wholeheartedly cooperating for achieving success in the field of education through this online mode.
My name is Madhavi. I'm from LP. My name is Madhavi. I'm from LP. I speak Malayalam, but I'm just like you.
My name is Shubhrita. I am from Kolkata. My name is Shubhrita. I am from Kolkata. I speak Bengali, but I am just like you.
My name is Madhuri. I'm from Ratnagiri. My name is Madhuri. I'm from Ratnagiri. I speak Marathi, but I'm just like you.
My name is Rani Mai. I am from Chennai. My name is Rani Mai. I am from Chennai. I speak Tamil, but I am just like you. My name is Vasundhara. I am from Vadodara. My name is Vasundhara. I am from Vadodara. I speak Gujarati, but I am just like you. My name is Arundhati. I am from Guwahati. My name is Arundhati. I am from Guwahati. I speak Assamese, but I am just like you.
My name is Jaswinter. I am from Chandigarh. My name is Jaswinter. I am from Chandigarh. I speak Punjabi, but I am just like you.
My name is Bindiya. I'm from India. I speak Hindi, and I'm just like you. And I'm just like you. And I'm just like you.
My name is Madhavi. I'm from LP.
My name is Vasundhara. I'm from Vadodara.
My name is Madhuri. I'm from Ratnagiri.
My name is Shubhrita. I'm from Kolkata.
My name is Arundhati. I'm from Guwahati.
My name is Jaswinter. I am from Chandigarh.
My name is Bindiya. I'm from India.
नन्ही सी हंसी भोली सी खुशी फूलों सी वो बाहें भूल गए जब देश ने दी आवाज हमें हम घर की राहें भूल गए हम सोए नहीं कई रातों से जाने वतन सा चांद बुझे हमें नींद उसी दिन आएगी जब देखेंगे आबाद तुझे तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू